Perituza Foundation, a non-profit subsidiary of Perituza Software Solutions, we inspire children to reach their potential. With the support of our clients, we've donated to several schools and hosted multiple school-wide events. As we prepare for the upcoming holiday season, we are eager to kick off the renovation of an English classroom at the Depanama Dharmapala Primary School in Pannipitiya, Sri Lanka. The reveal of the updated classroom will take place in conjunction with an end-of-year party that we are hosting for the students.
From the Perituza side, so of course my name is Yuka, and this is Dharani, Lakmal, and Imesham. Okay. So they are our foundation committee, and they've been working in the background for the last few months on this project, and they're really excited to show you today everything that we've been working on and to show you the plans for the new activity room.
Our team and our students are very happy to see you all.
And this project has been so much fun for us as well, starting from the design to the furniture and learning materials. But before we finalizing all of these things, we would love to tour the school and visit both teachers and students.
I want to explain about our school that we have mission and vision. We encourage our students to conquer the world while holding the values with them. I am having another concept in this school, that is KSP Learning School. So it is about the knowledge, skills, attitudes and personality development. As the proof, we have increased the national level of the scholarship exam. Those who have got the national range, that is increased up to 27 to 97.
We got the second place for singing, divisional level singing competition, and also we got the second place for divisional level drama competitions also.
Many are from underprivileged families. We are giving what is the best for the students in this school. She has been asking for an English room for a long time.
දවසක් මම රැස්වීමකදී කිව්වා ඔයාලට අනාගත කාලේදී ඉංග්‍රීසි රූම් එකක් හම්බ වෙනවා කියලා අපේ ඉස්කෝලේ. ආසයිද අපේ ඉස්කෝලේ ඉංග්‍රීසි රූම් එකක් හැදෙනවද? That is our dream class.
What else do you want to have in the English activity room?
Okay. Storybooks, bin bags, pictures, games.
Okay. I think we can do all that.
As you interact with these students every day, what would be your number one priority for this room?
I think the desk and chairs and the storage, and we need some learning aids also.
This is my dream class, and we are using it for the students as a reading room. So now you can have our English room here.
Yes, this room is really a blank canvas. There is so much potential in here.
There's so much natural light, and because of the layout, we have so much flexibility over here.
And even just simple things, we can patch up the cracks in the wall and clean up the cabinetry.
I think I heard some familiar voices when I woke up here.
Hi Suresh, it's nice to see you back.
Very nice to see you again.
Let's go inside. And for those who don't know, this is Suresh and Tevindu. They are our design consultants of this renovation project. They visited us previously to get some measurements. Today they are going to show us their plan officially.
So what we're planning to do is a full renovation, and we want the students to feel motivated and to feel excited about their English studies. So we want them to associate their studies in this room with fun and games and interaction. So we're going to set up this room in a way that accomplishes just that.
This is the layout of the classroom that we are going to renovate, and we are providing children with the tables and chairs for different activities and bean bags for their leisure activities inside the classroom for different activities, and a couple of cupboards for their storybooks as well as for other literature books, and a cupboard which is existing. We are going to put doors and renovate it up to a better cupboard, and we are going to clean all the floors and the windows as well as the roof because there's a lot of dust as of now, and a new door will be provided over there, and this room will be lit superbly with a new lighting system.
I think my students will be excited.
That's exactly what we're hoping for.
Yeah.
We only have 2 weeks left to complete this renovation, and that includes everything from building the furniture to painting the room and setting up the decor. We're excited to see this children's reactions to all the work that we've done. But since we don't have much time left, we have to get started now. Well, today is officially the day. The Perituza team is preparing for KidZone 2023, and in parallel, we're about to put the finishing touches on this English activity room, which has yet to be revealed.
Yes, Yuka, this is a very exciting project for us as well as a very rewarding project for us. And the biggest risk that we faced was to order furniture, but everything came on time, and let's go and see how it looks like.
Perfect, let's go take a look.
Yes.
Oh, Suresh, this is just beautiful in here. It's hard to imagine that just a couple weeks ago, there was a metal cabinet in front of that doorway. We had chips and cracks in the walls. But what I love the most about this room now is the color palette.
Yes, Yuka, we inspired from nature, and a lot of colors are inspired from nature. And the natural timber finishes as well as the light fittings, if you see, they resemble nature.
I love that you've used nature as the inspiration of the room because we're spending all day long inside, and it's so important for children to connect with the beauty of nature.
Yes, I agree.
This is the most memorable day in my life, and this is our dream. Now today, our dream came true, and thank you so much.
The early career team is now wrapping up the day by conducting fun activities and games with 5th graders. Let's go see what they're up to.